Alright, today we're going to be doing a little tear down of the heads. First you're going to need it's a 1/4 inch Allen wrench. It fits in these, and they're probably going to be too tight to get off by hand. Take a wrench, just twist those free. That'll be the removal of six rockers and the piece they sit on. We will be doing these valve springs next. I'll try to get a little better angle here. Now what I'll do, you take one of your rocker bolts, and I actually used a different valve spring compressor, little twist one. Didn't work very well for these. It worked okay for these, the new ones. These have a much more aggressive curve on them, and they're shaped differently. Will not work to compress those. So I was told this works. What I do is take one of the old spring retainers, stick that in there to hold it, or a washer, probably be a better idea. I'm not reusing these, I have new retainers, so I don't really care if I damage it at all. Screw this down in there. Now, gotta make sure you have a magnet, which I believe I covered with my camera. I did. Make sure you're still seeing everything here. You're gonna twist this down. That's all there is to it. So again, just center this. Make sure it's not gonna pop out when it starts to snug down or move too much. You could probably, I don't know if you can buy these in a smaller size, but if you can, I would recommend it. It's on there. Compress it a little bit. Give it a tap to break those free. Crank it down just enough to loosen the little locking pins in. Sometimes you get one that wants to get stuck in there. Just give it a little tap the other way. Sometimes that'll get it out. Otherwise, you just compress it a little more. Suck that out of there with a magnet. my little piece of paper. So that underneath the second set keeps them from falling down. You don't have to compress it as much that way. Otherwise your valves will sink. Then you gotta shove that spring down that much further. Magnet, boom, oops, boom. See if I can get a better shot here. You're gonna tighten this down. Oops. Center that. Just like that. Compress that spring. See if I can get a better shot here. Just take something to tap and break that loose. There it goes. Go down a little bit more. Pick up all my pieces. Sometimes it'll be a little stubborn. You just gotta take this thing, shift that retainer over, come right out, and then just twist it off. There you have it. Fairly simple. 6 rockers, 6 springs, spring retainers, all the valve locks, and whatever the piece is called that the rockers sit on. And for these, all you gotta do is stand the head up. There's all your valves. You can just shove these, they just slide around in there. I don't know why these two don't want to go out. There we go. Push those all in. All of them are open. There you go. Your intakes, your exhausts, if you can see that. Slide those out of the way here. And there is your head teardown. And don't miss out. I'll throw the like and subscribe up here so you can get notifications when more content's gonna come. Hopefully this car will be running shortly after the 4th of July. And yeah, it'll be nice. It's been about 3 years since I've actually had it driving on the road, so stay tuned. It's coming soon.